Hello everyone, now we are going to solve the questions based on the natural vibration. A vertical spring mass system has a mass of m kg and the initial deflection of 0.2 centimeter. The natural frequency of the system is, suppose this is a spring mass system and this is m and having stiffness constant, spring constant is s. So what would be the initial deflections? We know that this is equal to, basically initial deflections means s delta 1 is equal to mg. So here you can see that this is equal to g by delta is equal to s by m. Okay, so natural frequency we know that it is equal to under root of s by m, but here stiffness is not given, deflection is given, so we will consider this formula under root of g by delta. And what is delta? Delta is given 0.2 centimeter. It is given in centimeter. Either you can convert it into meter or mm, but whatever be the unit you are putting here, that would be the same unit of gravitational acceleration. Remember one thing. So if you put the value in centimeter, so it would be in centimeter 981 upon 0.2. Then you will get the correct answer. So when you solve this, you will get the value of natural frequency. That would comes out to be 70 radian per second. Option C would be the correct answer. Be careful about the units. Okay, if you want to convert it into meter, it would be 0.2 upon 100. Okay, and gravitational, this would be, acceleration would be 9.81 meter per second square. Okay, so this would be the correct answer, 70 radian per second. Okay, so thank you.